Hello, I hope all of you are doing well. My name is Zafar Iqbal and you are watching on Point One Revision. Today we will discuss about business objectives. What are business objectives? Business objectives are the aims and targets that a business works towards. These objectives are often different from business to business. So all business have their objectives. They set them for short-term purpose as well as long-term purpose, but these objectives have different purposes for each business. There are businesses who aim to earn profit and maximize the profit for the owners. They want to earn as much profit as they can. On the other hand, there are some business who aim for not profit. Their aim is not profit, but they aim for providing welfare services to the people. So each business, there are different business in the world, and each business can have different objectives, and they will be working on them to achieve those objectives. The most common objectives are to make a profit, increase added value, expand the business, survival of the business, or provide service to the community. So these are some common objectives of businesses. Number one, I can repeat for you. Number one is to make a profit. Number two, increase added value. Number three, expand the business. Number four, survival of the business. Or number five, provide the services to community. With respect to profit, a business might try to earn as much profit as possible. This can be an aim of a business. A business might set an aim to earn as much profit as possible, maximize the profit. But this also has some problems. The problems can be the business might need to increase the selling price. Increasing the selling price can decrease the demand for the product. Customers might not be willing to buy that product at a higher price. This can lead to the decrease in sales, and it might become difficult for the business to survive in the long term. In the long term, it can happen that some other competitors would enter the market and they would start producing the product at a lower price, and the business might lose many customers to the competitor. So a business can set an aim to maximize the profit or to earn as much profit as it can, but it will, in the long run, a business might be very happy or willing to earn satisfying level of profit, a level of profit by which it can easily pay different expenses as well as earn a reasonable return on its investment. So the number one aim we have just discussed now, which is to make profit. So in summary, a business might want to increase the profit or earn maximum profit, or set an aim to maximize the profit, but this aim can also cause some problems for the business. The problem can be because of increasing the selling price, a higher selling price. A business might lose many customers because of a higher selling price, and then that can lead to decrease in sales in the future, and business might not be able to survive in the long run. So in the long run, if the business wants to survive and retain its customers, the reasonable level of profit, which means that the business is able to pay its expenses easily, as well as it is earning a good return on its investment. Value added, increasing the added value, number two objective. So value can be added in the material and components by working on them, and increasing the value is added to material and components by working on them and converting them into much more expensive products. Business increase value added by making the displays much more attractive, so that the customer might think that the product is of a very high quality and they will be willing to pay a higher price. On the other hand, by increasing the different features, making them much more better than they were before, bringing innovation in the product, this way also a business can increase the value added in the product. The owners and managers may aim for growth in the size of the business for the number of reasons. Number one reason can be the increase in salary or status. As the size of the business will increase, the status of manager and owner will also increase, and their salaries might also increase. To obtain a higher market share for growth in sales, this can also be the reasons why business might want to increase the size of the business or might set growth as an aim. Now we will discuss number 4 aim, which is survival. When a business is being recently set up or if the economy is going in recession, the survival can be one of the most important aim for the business. For example, recently due to lockdown around the world, many business are trying to survive in the market. They have to pay rent expense, they have to pay salary because they are fixed expenses. No matter whether they are selling products or providing services or not, they have to pay the rent of the factory or rent of the building or rent of the shop. And they might also have some employees, so they might have to pay them salary as well. So in the short run, a business might be able to do that, but in the long run, if the lockdown continues, it might become very difficult for many businesses to survive in the market. That's why you might see around the world, you might have heard this news, that many businesses, they have filed for bankruptcy or they are asking for help and looking towards the governments to help them in this difficult time. So survival can also be an aim of the business if the economy is in depression or if the business is very new. You have recently set up a new business, so you might set survival as your aim. If you are able to survive for 5-10 years initially, then there are more chances that you will be able to grow in the future. Providing a service to community, this can also be an aim for a business. In many countries, many businesses are being owned by governments, and these businesses are being run by government. So the main purpose of these businesses is not to maximize profit or to earn much revenue, but the core or primary purpose of these businesses is to provide service to community or provide different services to the people who are less privileged. Or these business could be to provide essential services to the such as water, electricity supply,